understand? Na so e dey. Na tori time days. We go knock tori for una. Countryman, countrywoman. Sango na manyango. When the tori then day, we get 6 story for una the day. We don't brush the other one. They don't pass. This time we go talk about some police matter for that side. For your on the side. We go talk to about some girl where they take like house girl, but he can't to around. And then for ya for Douala, some girl where he massa. He knocks a stick onto her head, a kitty, and then some man way he married some Cameroonian woman, he born picking with your for Nigeria, and then he don't rape all that picking them, don't stay with all the picking them. And then we'll talk to Palava Injira, that girl he sing Mutumu, he sing gospel music, he don't be now a doctor. Then Samuel the 2 Feast be dead too, when I know say the thing be pass the way be pass, people they be they talk plenty thing with them. So if you are throwing to if una get play well now, una catch am. If I try and fine, una catch am fine. If I try and bad, una so catch am fine. Now so the thing dey countryman, countrywoman. We'll start with this first story. For that side, for Yaoundé, wetin happen? Now the question we say we always ask we question for you now. But say more understand because we play our commodity they talk say ebiri mekiai. If you not ask question, you know if you know fine. So if you think the way they pass your way for understand, the best thing for do now for ask question. So we continue for ask the question then. So moto ikuma ya the way they go Obala. That opep them. Klando if you want them. Now you don't put passenger inside paka. I inside that paka passenger then so one boy be the way they call it say Duclair Queno. Duclair Queno na papa for plenty pikin and one woman. It is said telephone for that side for Marché Central for Yaoundé. So baby they go Obala for go give the product the way they don't pass command. They want go give telephone the way people they don't pass command for that side for Obala. So you go with Ikako. Now for that side for Mesasi, countryman, countrywoman, where police control their motor for Mesasi for Yaoundé. That driver for the OPEP, he talk say they overtire he go up the blow, he come down the blow, he continue for going. As he continue for go, one police vekes, he take pen skin, he put am for his back. As he reach for level, instead of stop that motor, he shoot gun. Shoot cartridge, bam. Now so one cartridge, he take Duclair Queno. They rush Duclair for hospital, for general hospital for Yaoundé. Countryman, countrywoman, before the one know, na so Duclair woku, na so Duclair die for that recklessness. We no get patient for say, me will look out now wait till they happen, so now wait till they happen. Na so that Duclair he die. So as I talk now so, we don't know whether Oga Kwata for police, he don't take the matter, he want put that for before, so that punishment it go be. We don't know him. So take a reach now. So the wait for see what will happen, I go pass for the matter Duclair when in America ki himself for sika ope palaba vehicles say they no give muru a shoot cartridge for that motor. He go take now some small businessman where they say for them for Yaoundé side. Now we go talk say may peace be for your family because it's not easy. Papa come up for us for go do business. He say one go Obala for go give phone the way people they buy am. Na he that for inside motor, no be driver, no be only man. Na he can take cartridge where they shoot up. Now he don't quarrel. Some song they used to sing up say, na so they welly day, na so they were. You come up for your house, you go for work, you die. Na so they welly day, na so they think they countryman, countrywoman. You dey na the one. Songe. Hey, apoto parapatamba tapa. Una know say that agency them they now where they find house girl. They go find her for you now. They don't make out say they get list of plenty people they work, they wait. They dey for the standing list. Or if you know what time the waiting list. Na grandma that. Now they don't go the family them. They don't go find house girl, find them, turn them, they know the same. That's why we tell me some find house girl we come up for that side, for our side. I try, turn them. I know see I'm other picking them. There's one they don't be this one, no one that kind of work again. Now it is B. They go pour on for you, wait 20 years for Kabi has get. He accept for be as girl. He enter na last Saturday for Oga Kwata Kwata and Madam he has. What happen for B? Na the two way want tell una now. Be there for us. Let's say nothing happen. Quiet girl, very quiet, very disciplined. He do all things correctly. Wait for be hate. He be already get a plan. Wait for do be already be for he hate. And the thing for do na way he do am. He do wait be. Be do wait countryman, countrywoman. Sango nyamanyango ajong anei. Be now wait Sunday. Oga Kwata Kwata he come out. Madam Kwata Kwata he come out to for go for work. They get two pikin where they don't let be. They take care for the pikin, take care for house chores. What happen? Oh man, why you go begin talk say hard chores now waiting. Don't say you take care for her, the clean house, the wipe house. Now it won't be that. Now be that day, be take that two pikin them, go lock up for inside room, pack a madam, a kaku them, thief a madam, fine thing them, fine clothes them, that ring, that chain them, all that thing them. Now so if Amus, so they can reach tomorrow, they don't know play with be day. So they define B, but they don't know play with B day now. So who go see B? They come up for side, B don't go for side. Now they think that, so they look up. If you get lucky Sunday, they put their hand for B. But if they don't get lucky, you don't finish so. So they just get for take card and then look another house girl, if not on the case that, or they change their calendar for work. Madam Phoebe sometime the fasage with myself for that, may they get time for take care themselves for their pikin. I don't know what they get mommy where a day or papa where a day, also sister where a day, but they will look another option now in a better option because thank God it's not only clothes and jewelries where that be cheaper with money. So why maybe we if you do bad for that pikin because I don't see plenty cases like that where someone enter with a very cynical, diabolic, satanic mindset pikin. We go enter now, you can't do bad for your own picking them. So now so the thing day. The other news day. This one it pass for power. I say this one it pass for power. I'm no. It pass for power. What it happen for Lock Besu? Hey, massa. What happen for Lock Besu? For that player they call I say Cité Kamer. Una know am? Yes, una know na the hear me. Una know Lock Besu Cité Kamer. Na for Douala. Na so the girl where they call it say Frit Ekoyo. He don't come out with his friend. They don't come out with friend. They go tonton them. As he want turn back for us, he don't vex. He must have vex. He must have drive. He say no one see, no one to make up for this and that. What happen again? What how can anger go happen today? He go reach for play with the anger, go be for play with. He go be for play with. He go reach that play. He go reach. That man now he take waiting. He take that way they call it say lad. That means say scandal. He use scandal because that girl no one hear that say one go. What begin? He knock him. The man name na Emmanuel. Emmanuel take scandal. He knock for a woman head. Bam! When I remember that you will be passed to agency for Douala for Aqua for that play Chinese they said they are there. Where somebody can keep you go pieces of agency, the whole send me pay, say no the pay because he want take transport day. That people they take care for the toilet, they start fighting. So they want take that throne lat, that scandal. In knock for a head. Now so the girl they carry go for hospital. No way. Now so the girl he die. That means say your woman he turn your punching back. For if you know one thing. If you don't want the woman, you will go ahead as for begin knocking with the lad for kill him. And they understand. You will kill him so how? If they are picking where they do the same thing, on their sister where they do the same thing, on their mommy where they do the same thing, how you go be? My way they do that kind of thing, I don't say it's criminal inclined. Because you know if you take scandal for knock your woman head, you know say you go broke your neck, and you know say you go die. But you do them. Because they go talk say this so if you don't anger, na anger make him, he get anger issues. Now because say he get anger issues, now the two do not be anger issues. Now criminal mindset. Una woman, no be una punching back. If you no want be woman, una fit arrange, una divorce. Una fit arrange, una separate. No be for begin take collars, no be for take stick, no be for begin blowy, no be for begin knacking, no be for do this one. The one where they talk a whole two for woman. No need for talk say I will poison you, I will do this, I will do that. Una fit separate, una live una life, and then una fit fall for people who they go love una, who they go understand una, who will be together. Na so life day. Even if you get 4 pikin, 5 pikin, you fit still get love of your life. It is possible. Na mindset palaba. Na story that way happen for log besu, for site kame, countryman, countrywoman. Tori way we get time now for here. Now so one way pass my power. That man wey dey call say send a tango, he don't pass your power. We born pikin we pikin them. He born pikin we 2 pikin. So tell the happy. Say he 2 get pikin them, na a woman them. They don't born pikin, they get pikin, they say yes, papa na so. They don't catch them now. They be there for court on the 13th. Let me say last Friday. But the one I want to tell you now, he pass mon entendement. When I hear me, I put a France for day. When I know say the matter, it don't budget. The matter don't budget to the point where we not feel understand am. Because say the kind of thing, na thing way even a vomit small. How man fit born pikin? He rape all the pikin them. 6 pikin. He rape his 6 pikin them. Even the smallest one where they 14 months, he rape am. When I sure say na human being, they act that kind of acting so. Now so it don't pass people. Now so Cameroon woman, where he married some Nigerian man. So now so the story come out to no be say any problem discrimination they. Now the story. We just tell now the story, the way the story come out. Now they don't born 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pikin. Now get them. Papa for the pikin them, he don't take them. The first one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the second one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the third one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the 4th one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. He take the 5th one, he put her for down, he sleep with her. Even the one where they 14 months, he take her, he put her for down, he sleep with her. The one, now wonderful thing. And the way they look at him, the story, and say, they say, he gets small muru way, they try to bribe justice, judge them, all the justices them, they try to corrupt them, but the matter don't go reach for way, they must denounce him, so that middle man, he answer. He must answer because the way he do, he not correct. He not correct the way he do. They must sanction him for the way he do. Okay. Wonderful parabol. Ya picking he turn your woman, or ya picking them, turn your woman. So they look them. They be a woman for you before. So they move, undress yourself. Undress them. Climb table with your picking. Your own picking, your blood where you born am. Hey, go pataganya monje kerabal kadababa toba daba daba. I don't talk now for that country talk when they call I say kaipoko paiko. Na kaipoko kaiko country talk that. That means when thing don't pass you, you talk for kaiko paiko country talk. Hey, massa. Oi, no. The one he pass. That's why they call I say attendement. Tori day. The other Tori wo rinaka wudana say that Indira Babuke where we sing gospel music. It don't be na doctor. Yes, he defend. He doctorate, a PhD the other day. That's yesterday. Plenty people come out. Plenty international star them. They be big. They be Dede. They support it. They come out for Cote d'Ivoire. Like Kais Bloom. They come. They support it. If that boy they call say Tamsi. What they say? Kudu manamagale. Kudu manakale. Aha. It be Dede too. Samuel Eto be Dede, David Eto be Dede, people them, celebrities them, they be Dede plenty, and now Indira Babuke, Eden, na Doctor Indira Babuke. Yes, he don't turn a doctor. So now medical doctor now, 7 years for study, I don't turn medical doctor. So, na call you now say Dr. Indira Babuke. He papa too. Oswald Babuke, he be Dede. He mami too in a pastor, he be Dede. the thing pass fine. But the other thing I say, people don't enter. Dash TV, he make live broadcast for the defense of Indira PhD. And then people don't start to talk. Ho, ho, ho. You should say we go school. If you get time for begin sing for a place. First day you go begin study too. So you go be doctor now. That thing na fake. Now because say papa get money, if papa don't do so, if papa do so. I don't know why people them they expose their frustration for the other people they are picking them. You feel attack your papa, the time you attack picking, you feel how. You attack some man, you attack a picking family. If they do the same thing for you, you go feel at ease. Because some people they take their family high time, then go they attack the other people their family. That picking don't study. That picking a doctor. He go be incompetent, he go be CC, he go be that one, he no go know the one. Una feel hate, I talk again, una feel hate system, una feel hate papa, una feel hate thing, but not fine, we begin put picking them inside that kind of thing. Because the way the social media frenzy, they have to see yesterday about that matter. Only talk. Even so one the way, they be doctor, medical doctor then, they can't talk about the picking. Escape the day from start to finish for the training. If papa talk something, same people in the way they don't know. Say the picking if first entrance for medical school for Yaoundé. They tell you say this, so why you live at picking face? He said no, the picking they intelligent, me the picking right this system, it no go influence anything. That's what happen. That's so the papa talk, that they will celebrate the doctorate degree for Indira when a medical doctor now so. Countryman, so Indira matter. Samuel to it be dede as I tell you now. Yeah, all camera them, they will only show you. You want go so, eto. You want go so, eto. You want go so, they don't show eto. Eto is wrong with papa for Indira. We discover to say David Eto be dede. Small brother for Samuel Eto. That way they go make celebration for the doctorate degree. They be see dede. Journalists they be dede for many major organs and then the matter way one talk now which one. No be say Eto no be there or be there or this one. It post them doctor and then when I understand the two continue for them. Now they post that way Eto make a doctor Indira official. That means say clap your hand. Voila. He make clapping hand, 1 clapping, 2 clapping, 3 clapping, 4 clapping, 5 clapping, 6 clapping, 7 clapping, and then he put 4 heart. He put 2 Cameroon flag, and then he put 3 thumb up power for you. So now for Indira Babuke. Tell all that thing finish. For come up for them for Samuel Eto, it be then a trouble. It be then a trouble. Crowd. I say crowd enter. Crowd come out, countrywoman. I don't know what if I put that crowd when I go hear them. But I will try. We'll see what I will go hear the two happen. Then because the way it happen, people them pam. Una no. We will try put them. I want fix as well. Put them. Una hear and fine. Una understand. Wait till the try for talk. Una hear. That countrywoman. I hope say but the will not be find that way. That he command they call it president. They block it. Anyone want take selfie with you. Now they make attention for the all man will go for the now for see somebody to now they do for outside. Now I take picture of somebody to face. Now that they know the first love. If they love you, they love you. That's what the thing they.